And tonight here in the Rant, does that forecast from Monty sound eerily familiar to the one last week that had the school buses heading out in the snow squalls? Well, treacherous driving conditions meant JCPS took some hard knocks over its decision to keep schools open. But there are some folks who applaud that decision to keep classes on. They believe the snow was no big deal. We wanted you to hear the other side of the snow issue tonight.
My name is William. I think they should have school today because we got too much snow. I think Jefferson County Fiscal did a good job. I think the school bus drivers did a wonderful job getting the kids to school. Everything turned out all right.
Lloyd, the first name is Ann. All the years and years past, we have always gone to school. If the kids would stay off the road and ride the bus to school like they're supposed to, it wouldn't be all this trouble. You don't stay home just because a little bit of snow. Bye.
Well, tonight here in the Mail, more thoughts about the rush hour snow predicted for the morning and the similarities to the snowfall last week that created so much concern and chaos. Christy in Louisville, I think it's ridiculous that JCPS can't admit that it was a mistake. Oldham County had no problem admitting they should have closed. I would think that 7 school bus accidents would open your eyes. JW in Louisville, all of the Monday morning quarterbacks grousing about JCPS's decision to hold school Friday was completely predictable. What wasn't was JCPS's defending the decision later in the day. Admit the mistake, see Oldham County, and move on. Jan in New Albany, Indiana, with all of the snow days adding up, and now they're off again today for the holiday. You would think all of the government holidays between now and the end of the school year, they could use any and all for makeup days. Mary in Louisville, it is a difficult decision to make on whether or not to have school. But despite what JCPS said on TV, students were not safe and a delay should have been called. Instruction was difficult with the disruption of students trickling in as extremely late buses arrived at schools. JCPS should have apologized like Oldham County. Again, JCPS is telling us that they are watching the weather forecast closely. They'll be making their decision sometime in the overnight hours, so nothing to tell you right now. And to make sure you get to work early, Good Morning Kentuckiana is on the air at 4 a.m. You'll get the word early from our team here. If you want to rant, here's how to do it. You can send me an email directly. The address is therant@WHAS11.com. Please give us your name and town. Post a message on our Facebook page. You can find us on Twitter @WHAS11therant. Or give our toll-free rant line a call from anywhere in the viewing area at 855-749-1101. Keep your fingers crossed, and we'll have the rant right back here tomorrow.